You know, let me go back to my car for my thermometer.
Thermometer? For what?
The temperature of the food, I have to check.
Temperature? No man, I prepping on my general. No sir, tomorrow the big day my general man. I'm tell you the truth, bossy. I try, you know. Really and truly man. You see it, me and her, nothing not too go on right out too tough cause you know we lock it down and we try for it. So we just want to kick off the thing the official way. I try man.
Young man, let me ask you this. Is pork on the menu?
Yeah. Yeah, we have pork. We have the other my general.
You're aware of the fact that pork has to be treated very carefully when it's being cooked?
Jaja. Bossy, we try, you know.
What's the cost per plate?
Oh, I buy. Tonian, me not tell you, everything good at general is Jackie, you know, man.
Alright, no, relax. I am here just to applaud your efforts and tell you that, you know, I approve of what you're doing. And, as a matter of fact, I'd like to order some food.
Eh? Thanks, man. Bossy, so how much for the one order?
We can start with 6. Let me see now. You have shrimp. Don't forget my pork. You have chicken. How are you doing it? Jerk or?
Jerk in pineapple sauce.
So I need 1 shrimp, 1 jerk in pineapple sauce. You know, just make the rest of them pork.
Bossy, big up yourself. Say before I get my general. I want them free. My courtesy of me. I thought also. Me I fix up your plate, my general. Don't worry yourself.
Do I detect an attempt at bribery?
Bribe? No, general. I don't do that. A customer service. Not worry yourself.
We remember you have to look on the road to get the reciting them.
Oh, if you're running now. Babe, be the man good. You see what I say? Think right down in all of them. Right down in all of them. Did him good. A general list. General!
Yes, sir.
Respect again, you know.
Did he come that way naturally or you made him so?
Sir, this is a surprise.
I know. Matter of fact, I wouldn't have it any other way. Wasn't that the same young man who fell off of a bike? At least him can't drop out of that. Let's try and complete this conversation before Mr. Yaman comes back.
I expected to come in, but I didn't know you were coming, sir.
Let me let you into a secret. They don't serve pork at the office.
Sir, are you here to support the cookout, or you want to talk to me about the interrogation?
I don't know. Do you want to talk to me about the interrogation?
Sir, I know I didn't handle it right, and me get emotional. I want you to see it as a work in progress, and I want you to know that I'm going to get better.
Well, it's not every day you run into a long lost brother.
Sir, that took me completely by surprise. And I know I'm supposed to prepare for anything, but that came from left field.
I know. And to be fair to you, I'm not certain I know of anyone who it wouldn't affect the way it did. What you have to understand, however, can feel it here. Mustn't show here.
I know you watched back the tape.
Mm-hmm.
Was it very obvious?
It's very difficult circumstances, you know. Don't beat yourself up over it. But that's not what I came here to discuss. I have a difficult piece of news to bring to you. I suspect that you want to reform your brother.
Yes, sir. That's something I want to talk to you about.
I thought as much. And I'm willing to assist in this process of reformation, but we're going to have to wait a little.
Is there a problem, sir?
Depends on what you see as a problem. There's no easy way to put this. The weapon that you took from your brother has been ballistically linked to the body we found in the alleyway near where you encountered your brother. And it now ties your brother to his murder.
So, this has now gone beyond phone stealing ring.
To homicide. There's a saying that dead men tell no tales. In this case, unfortunately, the ballistics are shouting, Sean, Sean, Sean.
I guess there's no chance to reform him now.
I would like to know that you're going to look at this as part of his rehabilitation process. Very important part. But every cloud have a silver lining. This one is that there is no death penalty on the table. So he'll be alive to be reformed, but he won't do it in jail. I know that you found out that this young man is your brother, under, to say the least, stressful circumstances. But he has made his bed. Now he's required to lie in it. I just didn't want you to have any false hopes. I thought it's best that I be the one to break it to you. I just sincerely hope that this does not affect my seventh food.